Hi guys! Ayan, so katatapos lang natin mag-shower, nagpatayo lang tayo ng konti ng buhok, and we're having our dinner. So tara, dito lang sa tapat ng Basin Hotel sa Yellowfin. So check natin yung restaurant and see kung masarap yung food. So tara, samahin ako mag-dinner! Ayan, so kalalabas lang natin ng room and nagpagutom lang kami actually ng konti para hindi kami mabilis magutom. Dito tayo kakain sa kabilang just right across our hotel. I welcome you to Yellowfin Bar and Grill. So this is the facade of the restaurant, and as you can see, the restaurant is quite busy for tonight. So the restaurant specializes on different inihaws like seafoods and barbecues. Yeah. And so we waited for about 15 minutes before being seated because the restaurant is really busy by those times. So this is their first floor dining, but we chose to be seated on the second floor. And so our food arrived as promised for 30 to 45 minutes of waiting. So we have ensaladang talong, toyo mansi-for sausawan ng aming grilled tuna. We also have brass de Mercedes for dessert. Maging na po ida. Sarap ng kanan nila. Oh. Hindi sila siyang NFA. Ayan, so it's one of their must try dun sa menu. Sarap. Fresh. Tsaka juicy. And meron siyang grilled kamatis. Bongga. Ang sarap magkamay. Ayan. Tapos yung ensaladang talong nila with red egg. Uwang alamang. Ayan. So may bagong silang condiment on the side. Check na ako. Juicy. And this is how our table looks like after devouring our dinner. Masaya yung tuna kasi ubos siya. Now let's try their braso de Mercedes. Oh, it's soft, it's very fluffy, and let's try. It's not so sweet. It's well balanced. It's very okay. It's delicious. And so our bill is 700 plus, and it's good. It's recommendable. The restaurant is recommendable. Now, it's time to feature our merienda during our stay in Baler. Let's feature Jello's Canteen, which is located just right beside the hotel. Very strategically located yung hotel where we stayed. And we've learned that they've got the best fruit shake and barbecue. Dalawang hot dog, tas dalawang isa. Hi guys, so it's 5:40. Medyo maaraw pa. So, andito tayo sa isang local na stall. Umorder tayo ng fruit shake and barbecue. So, magmerienda muna tayo. So, kakalabas lang namin actually ng hotel at nagro-roam around lang sa vicinity. And merienda, tsaka dinner. So, yung pinasukan naming meriendahan is within the Bay area, BAYWALK area lang din. So, eto na yung Sabang Beach. Yun, no? So, umorder lang tayo dito ng, ayan, fruit shake. Ayan, tsaka barbecue na din. And then yung hotel namin, this one. So, malapit lang. Look, dito lang yan sa Baler, usok na milkshake. Barbecue. Ang barbecue nila with pink suka. Char. For now, let's try their barbecue. Andito na yung fruit shake ko. So this is banana mango. So let's try it. In fairness. Sarap.
Pag-ibig pala, pag-ibig.
Prutas ate. Buti na lang sinadjust mo yung milk tea kaysa sa milkshake ay ano. Sarap.
May dala naman kami sa sarili.
Masarap tong barbecue. Maasim tong isa. Itong fruit shake masarap. Now, let's feature where we had our breakfast during our stay at Base Inn Hotel, the Boardwalk restaurant. As we waited for our breakfast, tumingin muna tayo ng mga breads doon sa bake shop nila and let's see. Let's try. Sigatin. The Boardwalk restaurant's bread selection is excellent. It's fluffy, it's soft, and it's yummy. It's perfect for coffee. However, our coffee came in late. But nevertheless, you have to try their bread selections. It's good. Tagal ng kape. Gusto namin yung kinakay. So we're having pancakes, tapa and bangus for breakfast, and then coffee and hot chocolate. So our breakfast is the common silog meals for Pinoy. Mine, I'm having tapa, while Kuya is having bangus, and then we also have fluffy pancakes. The kind of tapa they serve is not the common tapa that we usually have during breakfast. They have their own version of it. Their tapa is like pork floss. It's crispy, it's sweet, it's salty, and it's perfectly matching the vinegar condiment on the side, but not the usual tapa we're used to. On the other hand, their pancake looks so fluffy. However, it's kinda heavy and it has a coarse texture. It is not light and it is not soft. The service is quite slow, although it is understandable because the service breakfast is quite heavy. And so I'll give this dining experience an overall rate of 6/10. And of course, a Baler's foodie experience will never be completed without trying and having their famous Suman de Baler. Hi guys, good morning. So nakisuyo lang kami sa van. Bibili lang kami ng suman. Pampasalubong. Tapos na ang suman. Wala na pong ibang stalls to. So nagkakaubusan ng suman guys. Suman gaming. Sad life. So, ganun siya kabili. 100 ko na.
Pa, kalitan mo na nila.
Carry na.